Hey guys, welcome to our channel Intellect Coding, and here in this video we are just going to make a very simple addition program in C. Okay, so here we go. So let me just type in comment program in C to add two numbers. Okay, so here we'll start with the header. Hash include standard input output header, okay, stdio.h, and now main function, and now put here braces, and inside our braces we have to declare three variables. Okay, so here I am declaring int data type, variable a, b and c. Okay, and now initialize a with any number. Let us just initialize a with 10 and b with 15. Let okay, so now let me use a expression here, c equal to a plus b, and put here a semicolon, and now we will be printing c. Printf inside the double quotes the value of c is %t, which is used for the int, and here put a comma and then c, and after the statement put here a semicolon. Okay, now let us just run the program. As you can see, the value of c is 25, that is 10 plus 15. Let me now change the values. Let me now change here as 14 and now here 16. Okay, now let me just run the program again, and as you can see here, the value of c is 30, that is exactly 14 plus 16 is 30. So here is the method that how can you add two numbers in C programming language. Okay, hope you guys like the video, and if you like the video then subscribe to the channel. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.